the best strategy to benefit from the next market crash. As markets keep going up most of the time, it is no secret of the market sell-off from time to time. People say that the sell-off happens every 8 years or so, and as lots of traders and investors see deadline in their capital or investment, the market sell-off, or the crash as people call it, may be an excellent opportunity to make money and position yourself for a great run-up. When markets turn, people panic and they sell their stocks or investments, and the prices go lower and lower. Determining where the approximate market bottom is, the sophisticated and patient trader or investor can start a position in portions until confirmation is seen of the market uptrend. Knowing the strategies, having the right tools and knowledge will allow you to make a lot of money in uptrend market or downtrend market. We would like to thank you for taking the time to watch the videos that we have put together for you today. Take a look and subscribe to our YouTube channel, our Instagram, our Facebook page, and reach out if you have additional questions. We would love to hear from you. Check out our website for more information. Go to www.optiontradersnetwork.com. Thanks so much.